This lock is for Honda produced after 2021. We can get key bits from the numbers on the label. How can we get it? Click Oculus and find Honda vehicle. Input the numbers V904. We got the key bits already. Click this option. Install the key blank on the machine. If ready, click Continue. Finally, click Cut. One side is perfect. We'll cut it the other side. Here we select B. Click OK. If ready, we'll cut it the other side. Both sides cutting perfect. Let's try to turn on the lock.